Alright, so I'm making some potato soup today. I'm taking this to work. I'm trying to kind of cook a little bit for the weekend because I got to work all weekend. I'm going to leave some of this at home for the husband and daughter. And then I'm going to take the rest of it to work like in a crock pot so I can feed my work family as well. I love homemade potato soup. It is so good. I'm going to put some ham in mine too, but I like to cover mine with some chicken stock. And a little bit of water, just until the potatoes are, you know, just fork tender. But I'm going to make this. I went to the store yesterday because we were supposed to get a bunch of snow last night. Like I said, we got probably about 4 or 5 inches. School was canceled again. So this is day 3 of Olivia being off. I don't think that she has. They only have like 5 snow days. I don't think that she's used any of her. Did you use any of your other snow days? Is this the first 3? So this is the first 3 of her snow days that she's missing. You know when you cook it in chicken stock, it just...
had one back in November.
Oh, they had one back in November.
When Miss Goalie died, we took a day off for...
Yeah, but that's not weather related. So is this 5 days?
5 days.
Ooh, so they done with their snow days. They will have to make up the rest of them.
We get 9.
Huh?
We get 9.
I thought you get 5.
We get 9.
Oh, never mind. Scratch that. Erase that. I'm gonna add some pepper to this. Oh my god, I love potato soup. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot my butter. This is so rich and so creamy and so delicious. I've got this going, like I said, and then tonight I'm going to do, for dinner, I'm going to do a blackened chicken, a chopped salad, and, what else am I doing? A loaded cauliflower bake, whatever, casserole, whatever, which is so good. And then hopefully there'll be leftovers for, you know, everybody to eat all weekend long. And of course my husband is going to, I'll probably use a little bit more than that. I like my soup rich. This is so good. I'm not sure if I already have this on my channel, but if I don't, I'll get it on there eventually. I think I've got a loaded potato soup, but I don't think I have just my original ham and potato soup. But, you know, if you want the recipe to this, let me know, and because it's amazing. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm going to get this started, and this don't take long to cook. It smells so good already. Alright, I'm getting ready to throw together my blackening seasoning for my chicken a little bit later on that I'm going to show you how to do. I am going to use... Alright, now that we got the noise boxes out of the way, I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I'm putting it in this bowl. And I'm going to mix it really well. And then I'm just going to store it, and I'll probably transfer it into a bag for later use. But I'm also going to use... Now, if you want to use a little bit more of the cayenne pepper, that's totally up to you. But, you know, I'm just playing it safe for the family. And then the paprika, we are going to use about a tablespoon of paprika. This is a 1/2 tablespoon, so we're going to use 2. And then we are also going to use about a teaspoon of onion powder. Here's my teaspoon. Then we're going to use about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of the dried thyme leaves. There's my 1/2 teaspoon. Well, we'll just use this one. Well, nope. That's a 1/2 tablespoon. There's my 1/2 teaspoon. And then, what else do I have here? Oregano. We're going to use about a 1/2 teaspoon of the oregano leaves as well. Is that the 1/2? And then, of course, some sea salt. I'm going to use about a whole, where's my teaspoon? Teaspoon of sea salt. Well, if I can get it in there. Look at that. And this is what I'm going to season my chicken with. Just going to stir it up. And there you have it, homemade blackening seasoning. All right, my soup is looking and smelling fantastic. It is still cooking. I just added the ham to it. Like I said, that's for the weekend. And right now I'm just preparing my cauliflower for my loaded cauliflower bake, casserole, what have you. And I'm pretty sure that recipe's already on here. And it is really super good. And it's low carb, keto, whatever. If you're doing low carb or keto, it is absolutely perfect. It is so delicious. But I'm just cutting, you know, the bigger stalks off of this cauliflower here. And I'm gonna cook the whole thing because we like it that good. And it's, you know, it's one of those things that are better even left over. So I'm just gonna put these in. A little bit of water, a couple chicken bouillon cubes as well, or some chicken stock if I have any. I might not have any more because I used it for my potato soup. And I'm just going to cook this till it gets just a little bit fork tender. You don't want to cook this all the way done because it's going to finish up in the oven with, you know, sour cream, garlic, onion, cheese. Oh my goodness, it's out of this world. Okay. All right, guys, I just got done filming 2 videos. One of them is blackened chicken with bacon and pepper jack cheese and sauteed onions. And the other one is this chopped salad with like a Dijon vinaigrette dressing. Probably my new favorite salad. I'm not kidding. Look at that. How beautiful those are. These are delicious. I also made some of my cauliflower casserole to go with this, which is perfect. Especially if you're trying to do low carb or keto or whatever. This is a perfect meal for you guys. Trying to wean my way back into it, so we'll see. Alright, I hope you enjoy this vlog. You know, I appreciate you guys watching. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.